Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can import or copy contacts from the SIM card to device storage on an Oppo smartphone. So in order to do that, you will need to have at least one editable contact to, copy it. Then find and launch the Contacts app. Onwards, choose the Import from SIM option at the Fix and Manage section over here. Choose the SIM card you would like to import your contacts from. Select the contacts or unselect the contacts you would like to move or not move respectively. Then at the Save To menu, select Device, tap at the Import button. Choose whether you would like to remove those contacts from the original source, from the SIM card, or keep them both on the SIM card and storage memory. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.